Hello, I'm Harpal Kumar, President of International Business and BioPharma at GRAIL. Most people diagnosed with cancer visit their GP with symptoms before diagnosis. Many of these people report common, non-specific symptoms such as bloating, unexplained weight loss, or abdominal pain. These can be attributed to various conditions as well as cancers. And it can be difficult for doctors to determine which of these patients should be referred for urgent diagnostic tests for cancer. The SYMPLIFY study was a trial that took place in England and Wales, which assessed a multi-cancer early detection test, the Galleri test, with patients who presented to their GP with symptoms and who were being referred for diagnostic tests for possible cancer. The primary analysis of SYMPLIFY included participants who were followed up until what we call diagnostic resolution, or until 9 months from the date that they took the blood test. The Galleri test showed very strong performance in this patient group, with more than 3/4 of the participants who had a cancer signal detected being diagnosed with cancer. We call this the positive predictive value, or PPV, of the test. A small number of patients who had a signal detected were not diagnosed with cancer at that time and were initially designated false positives. The updated results from SYMPLIFY use national registry data to follow up these participants for a longer period, for 24 months. This latest analysis showed that more than a third of those people who were initially classified as false positives were indeed diagnosed with cancer during that follow-up period. And this equates to an increase in the PPV to more than 84%. And critically, it also underscores the importance of the cancer signal origin prediction, which was correct in almost all of those cases where those participants were subsequently diagnosed with cancer. This study demonstrates the potential benefit of the Galleri test as a diagnostic tool for individuals presenting with symptoms of cancer, particularly where those symptoms are non-specific. These latest results add to the body of evidence that MCED tests like Galleri could aid in clinical decision-making, particularly in primary care, and help to make more efficient use of diagnostic capacity. If you'd like to learn more, please do visit GRAIL.com.
The Galleri test is prescription only. The Galleri test is recommended for use in adults with an elevated risk for cancer, such as those age 50 or older. It is not recommended in individuals who are pregnant, 21 years old or younger, or undergoing active cancer treatment. Galleri does not detect a signal for all cancers and should be used in addition to routine cancer screening. False positive and false negative results do occur.